Today I am going to tell you how to apply for a remote job on LinkedIn. First of all, we will create your LinkedIn account. If you have one, then you will sign in. Now we will create jobs that match our skills. Here we will select how much you want to pay and what type of job you are doing. Type here and click on Save. Type here and what kind of job you want to do. Here you can see how many days this job has been shown. Further details are shown here. After when you read its detail and about, then please apply on it. First of all you have to do is enter your email address, then enter your country code and enter your mobile number. Here upload your resume and click on Next. Congratulations, you've uploaded your LinkedIn for a remote job. Here a message pops up showing that your application will be submitted. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.